Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform the installation for MPLAB IDE. So the download link has been given in the Telegram, and there are two files, MPLAB IDE installer and also for the Proteus. For the Proteus, I'll have another video, so we'll just focus on the MPLAB. So here you have it in this particular folder. I have actually downloaded the compressed file. So what we're going to do is you're going to right click on the file and you're going to extract to a folder with the same name, MPLAB IDE. Why we want to do that is because there are several files inside this MPLAB IDE. So once you have extracted it, so just double click into this folder and you can see there is this setup icon, application type. So you just double click on this. So just click yes and the installation will start. And after a few minutes you will see this pop-up page under the MPLAB tools. So you just have to click next. You accept the terms of the license agreement and you click next. We're going to select the complete installation features. Click next, and by default it will select a destination folder. If you want to browse to another folder, you may do that. You can click next. So just accept the agreement again and accept for this. This is basically for the various types of tools within the MPLAB. So just accept it and click next. And now the setup status, it will show the setup status here. And in between there will be some pop-up question asking whether you want to install this high-tech C installer. Then just by default it's already selected no, so you just can click no, and there you have it, your installation is done. So just click finish. So these are the MPLAB IDE document select. You don't have to view those files, you can just close them. And once you're done, you will be able to see the MPLAB IDE icon, and you can double click on the MPLAB IDE to start. So that's it. All the best, guys.